Hey YouTube, it's Erin and I am the Handbag Housewife and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a double unboxing. I already cut the boxes and the packages open, but that's okay. Don't mean to do a bait and switch there, but I knew that this item, which came from eBay, that it needed a little assistance before I opened it. And the reason is because it did not come with a chain. So if you were trying to guess what it might be, yes, it is a pendant. And I wore this ring today. It's an Effy ring and it's sapphire with a little bit of gold trim around the sapphires. And what's in this box I think will match quite beautifully. So here it is in all of its glory. Check that out. So it's got the same sort of pave setting, and I took one of the chains in my collection that I was not using, and I think that the two of these together are quite lovely, and I like that there's just a tiny bit of yellow gold on both of them. So I kind of designed my outfit today to wear this particular necklace and ring. So there we go. So I've got the pendant right there on my neck and I have the ring on my finger. So I've kind of planned my outfit around these. I'm wearing a dark denim and then this jacket over a little cami, carrying my Saint Laurent bag in the Sharon blue. So there you go. That's why I picked this jewelry and this bag for the day and had to squeeze in a quick unboxing. So I got this pendant for around $200, just a hair over $200. So I was really happy with that. And I think I picked a pretty good chain to go with it as well. Now, the second item that I have to unbox is Louis Vuitton. Yay! I have been using one of these pouches that I got from Amazon, and I love these. I use them for like cosmetic products and nail files and things like that so that they don't scratch up the inside of my bag. But recently I actually used this to hold cash, and I thought I could use something Louis Vuitton to hold cash. I don't have anything that zips like that. And so I went on the Facebook groups for Louis Vuitton and I found a seller on there that was rated really highly. And so I went ahead and took a chance because the Louis Vuitton Felici, I'll pop a picture of it in right here. It comes with two inserts inside. One is like this, and the other one is like this. And this one has like a billfold area, but it doesn't zip. So if you want to have some change in with your bills, this is the pouch you want. Now, this one came with an Empreinte Felici, and I would have liked to find the black pouch. But that said, the Empreinte, when it's embossed and on the pouch that goes with the Empreinte Felici, the pouch is embossed. That embossing with wear will diminish over time, and I thought for a small leather good that maybe doing one with the canvas would be better. This one, it's in pretty much new condition. It's got a little bit of denting on the canvas, but as I use it and put cash in it, I think that that will loosen up over time. I don't see any marks on it other than right here at the top. I feel like the glazing could have went up to the top just a tiny bit better. But you all know that I fix glazing on my smaller leather goods, and these aren't leather, but people call them SLGs or small leather goods. Well, recently I reglazed the whole top here, and I do that because I use these and I don't want to send them into Louis Vuitton for 3 months or 6 months and pay $60 to get them reglazed. It takes me seconds to do that, and it's a little shinier finish than what they would put on, but it keeps the canvas from cracking. So I'm fine with that. I do that on these. I would never do it on a handbag because when you work on these yourself, you void the warranty. But I use the heck out of these and I don't want to send them away for a long time. So I kind of feel the same way about this. If I need to put a tiny little bit of glazing up at the very tippy top of that, that's an area that's going to be bumped. So that kind of thing is going to happen. Otherwise, the glazing looks perfect. and I'm happy with it. I think this is actually going to hold a fair amount. Now it is lined in leather, and the leather is so soft. It feels really, really good. So I don't think I would use this for cosmetics, but I think it'll be awesome for cash, coupons, and change. And it's nice and low profile, but it does have some give. So I do think it will hold a decent amount of what I want to hold. So that is my second unboxing. What do you think? Did I do good today with my pendant and my Louis Vuitton? I do have another Louis Vuitton unboxing coming. I think it's probably going to be Friday, but I'm going to be running to Branson today, and the reason is there's a basketball game for one of my kids nearby there, and so I figured I would run into Branson and do a video at Tory Burch and a video at the Coach outlet. The Tory Burch is an outlet as well. We don't even have a Tory Burch anywhere near where I live, so I have to go somewhere like Dallas to find one of those. But I thought I would give you guys a little bit of eye candy, and that should come out tomorrow. So if you enjoyed this quick double unboxing, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it. Ring my notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ symbol, then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.